Welcome back. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a display built for gamers, creators, and multitaskers who demand maximum immersion, the Gawfolk 49-inch ultra-wide curved 1500R gaming monitor. This massive 49-inch screen replaces a dual monitor setup with a seamless DQHD 5120x1440 resolution, giving you twice the workspace and a cinematic field of view that pulls you directly into the action. The 1500R curvature is designed to match the natural curve of your eyes, making long gaming or editing sessions feel more comfortable and more immersive. Whether you're racing, flying, streaming, coding, or working across multiple windows, the curved ultra-wide layout instantly feels intuitive. There are no bezels cutting through your workflow, just clean, uninterrupted space. For gamers, this monitor fires on all cylinders: a smooth 165 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and FreeSync support work together to eliminate tearing, flickering, and motion blur. Fast-paced shooters, driving simulations, and competitive titles look fluid and responsive, giving you the performance edge you need. The DQHD clarity makes textures sharper, maps wider, and environments more lifelike. Color performance is another big win. With 120% sRGB, every shade looks richer, more accurate, and more vibrant. Video editors, graphic designers, and content creators will appreciate the improved color fidelity for grading and creative work. Whether you're editing photos, designing layouts, or working on visual effects, this monitor keeps details crisp and accurate. Connectivity is modern and versatile thanks to HDMI 2.1 and DP 1.4, ensuring top-tier bandwidth for high-resolution, high-refresh rate output. You also get built-in speakers for quick plug-and-play use, and the 100x100mm VESA mount support gives you freedom to mount it on a wall or an adjustable arm. If you want a monitor that replaces two displays, boosts productivity, enhances gaming performance, and delivers a fully immersive experience, the Gawfolk 49-inch ultra-wide monitor is a powerhouse choice. If this fits your setup goals, check it out through the link below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech recommendations and buying guides. See you in the next one.